dedicated cameramen in the Federal Capital Territory. And as the chairman of the Nigeria Union of Journalists FCT, I want to start by acknowledging all your efforts, all you've been doing, the critical role you play, each of you. It always has a way of saying that the role of cameramen in ensuring our story is rich cannot be overemphasized. And that's more reason whenever I have events here, I say, hope you're coming with a cameraman. Don't come alone as a reporter. Where is the it gladdens me when I see cameramen, particularly when it's press briefing. It's a cameraman and they just line up, gives you that impression that yes, the union is serious and we have capable and credible cameramen who are willing to take their job to the next level. So your skill behind the scene, behind the camera, brings stories to life, informing the audience, educating them, educating our society in ways people least expect, in ways that words alone cannot achieve. Because most times your camera tells a story even without the audio of that story. Even picture tells the story. So the way you give me that story. My cameraman sometimes will say, Chair, now you don't talk cameraman. I say, I don't talk cameraman. Give me the hand, the expression, give me the ear, give me the side view, give me, so, and we do this together. I cannot do it alone. The cameraman cannot do it alone. So if I have idea and knowledge, I also want to teach. And most times, all those I work with, I tell them, you go and develop yourself. Go back. If it is college, you have NTA Camera College. We have the one in Jos. You have to be creative, because whether you like it or not, the world is now turning into something else. Particularly this phone we are using.
Yes.
We talk about multimedia journalism, and a lot of people are now using their phones for camera. But there's nothing like this camera. You understand? It gives you a very good story. But what that can do, this can do. So, however, we just have to make sure that we multitask, So I really want to appreciate the Camera Association, and I want to let you know that you are the strength behind every report you see out there on TV, anywhere at all you can actually see. So your skill is important. Cameramen are the heroes of journalism. You capture the moments that matter, the triumph, the challenges, and the realities of our time. Your work is essential in ensuring transparency, accountability, and promoting the truth. Most times when people talk, you just talk, but when there's evidence, say, where is the evidence? That's why when you go to event, they say, delete that thing, cover it. So the fact that you have it alone, you are a big boy. Everybody is that's the person who captured that stuff. Go to Mr. A, go to Mr. B. So you bring out the truth in every story. You bring out that transparency. You bring out that accountability. So your role cannot be overemphasized. And despite the challenges, despite the realities of life, I have seen every one of you here, meeting up to expectation and the challenges. So your work is essential. Like I earlier said, it is through your lenses that the world sees what is happening on ground. And I believe that as we meet today, my own is a sort of encouragement to encourage us. Never say never. Very good. So we will discuss ways we can continue to improve our skills. We will continue to work together. We'll continue to see how we can promote ourselves, uphold the highest standard of professionalism, which for us is ethical reporting. It must be balanced. It must be fair. It must be objective. So your job as a cameraman do not make you any less at all. I don't believe so. Whether as a cameraman, as a photojournalist, you are not any less. I have seen cameramen who are reporters. They are shooting and they are at the same time writing. Who says you cannot even move to be a reporter? I've seen photojournalists who today can write. So it's all about your individual, capacity and how far you want to develop yourself. You understand? So I would also use this medium to encourage us to improve. Let us move from the everyday static, this is how I know how to do it. I know how to do it in different ways. And the NUJ is committed to assist in any way we can. We are committed to support you. We are committed to stand with you to ensure your voices are heard, your welfare is prioritized. We've been having series of training here, and for every training I know I carry, even if it is 3-4 cameramen along. But I want to assure you that after this meeting, we will have more cameramen on ground for every training on ground. So let us use this opportunity to strengthen our unity. Let us share experiences and collaborate for a more vibrant and responsible press in the FCT. The FCT NUJ is changing the narrative. We want to tell people that it is a new era. What wasn't there before is what we are bringing on board. And
now, we have been seeing a lot of work we have been doing concerning the welfare of journalists in Nigeria, in FCT. And we look at ourselves that we need to collaborate with you. We want your organization, FCT NUJ, to collaborate with us, because without us, no reporter. Without reporter, no cameraman, particularly in the electronics. And when we are talking about the electronics medium, the moment you remove cameramen from electronics, what do we call it? No, I will hand over the question to my chairperson. So now we are trying our all possible best to be a one body in FCT. And we are talking about welfare, our welfare. We have been seeing the way you have been going around all the ministry, minister, agencies, talking about welfare. Even and our health, which you have gone a long way to do that. And we use this medium to, I will say that maybe to hard ourselves with your bone, so that you know that you have baby. There is no way when baby is crying, definitely as a mother, you must carry the baby. So we want you to put us in whatever anything you are doing in FCT.
In terms of fake cameraman, as we all seated here as an association, as a body, number one, you register. Secondly, as we are registered, you collect your ID card. We have our constitution and the bylaw. We have our constitution and the bylaw, which is going to be given to you as soon as you join us. If you join us, we give you the bylaw. This is our bylaw, and this is our constitution. If you can able to go through it and you understand the details of what is our take, then you are ready to join us. Because we don't want where somebody will not see you as a fake, a cameraman. And among us, in this association, we don't have any fake cameraman.
It's not that maybe she doesn't have any favorites. Look at her there. She doesn't have anybody like favorite person that, this one I must. No. The register is with me. We sit down together, look at the number of people that have attended Congress. Randomly, we pick names. You cannot say because you are close to me. Mr. Jide, Chairman, please put me in the training. No. For those people that have been participating, please, your attendance at the Congress matters.